Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then hi, and if you're existing, thank you so much for joining. So in today's video I'm a little excited because I'm planning to do a unboxing video. It's been some time since I've been wanting to do this unboxing video, and yeah, so I'm super excited to share with you guys my first ever Gucci bag purchase. And yeah, so I'm going to be going through and showing you guys the actual bag and also doing a quick review as to what I think about the bag. And I did sell a few other items to purchase this Gucci bag because I feel like I wasn't making use of some of the other items and I wanted to purchase something different. I am excited to share that with you. Let's get started. So I made my purchase from the Gucci shop, and the purchase came in a cardboard bag like this. So you've got the Gucci symbol on it there. It's not a flimsy paper bag, it's actually a really good quality card bag, and it's come through with the, so it comes in with a little tag, and you've got the Gucci sign on there as well, and the receipt is actually in there. Okay guys, let's get this bag unboxed. So let's see what's actually inside the box. Here we have the dust bag, and the dust bag feels super soft, and you can see that it's got the Gucci tag on it. Such a beautiful feel on the bag. And let's get this bag unwrapped. So here we have the bag. Okay guys, so here's the bag. It's the medium Soho Camellia Rose Beige bag. I absolutely love this colour. It's such a beautiful colour, and it's classed as one of Gucci's classic designs. So you can see from here it's got the interlocking G, and we've got the beautiful leather tassel that it comes with. The bag is actually calf pebbled leather. So that pebbled calf leather is supposed to be very durable, and it's waterproof, and you can see that it's kind of like got that texture on the bag. It feels really soft. So for a leather bag, it's very soft, but at the same time it's got that texture and makes it very durable. And I really love the fact that it's got this double G on there as well. And let's have a look and see what's actually inside the bag. So it's actually got a magnetic flap opening, so there's no zip, and I really like that about the bag, because I feel like I'm always leaving my bags open. I never shut my zips. You can see what's inside the bag itself. Let's get rid of all this. So it's also come with this beautiful pale gold chain. Absolutely love. I feel like any bag that has a chain on it gives it that kind of classy, very kind of night to day look. And let's have a look at the inside the bag itself. So if you can see inside, the bag is actually got cotton lining. As you can see, it has no zip here. It's only got a zip in the inside, which I absolutely love. So you can see there's a zip section there, and you can see from here you've got the Gucci sign there, and it says made in Italy. Let's have a look inside the zip compartment. So you've got here, you've got the Gucci card, and you've got like all the information in there as well, and just sort of an authentication. Then we've got the Gucci serial number on this little small card here. So I'm just going to pop that back in as well. And then on this side here, you've just got another little pocket where you can sort of insert and pop stuff in there. I would usually put maybe a lipstick or a card holder or something like that in here, or maybe keys. And it's really beautiful. I feel like chain bags are always adding sort of more of a classy look to the bag, and yeah, I really picked it up because I really love the actual colour, because I usually pick up black bags, and this time I wanted to go for something a little different. I feel like this colour is very seasonal. It would go with a lot of different outfits and a lot of different looks, and also can be worn in every different season as well. I love the fact that it's a medium bag. I feel like Gucci does do a whole range of sizes, and I feel like I'm more of a medium sized kind of person because I like to be able to fit my purse, my phone, and a few other things. We'll have a look and see what we can fit in this bag as well. But they have the Soho Disco camera bag, which is the exact same classic design but a lot smaller, and this bag is a lot bigger, and that's why I feel like it's more for me than the Soho Disco bag, as the choice was between this one and that. And I also picked this one up because I preferred the pale gold chain on it, and the Soho Disco bag has the leather strap, and the chain is actually about 21 inches, so it can, again, like I said, it's one of those bags that you can wear like on your crossbody, you can wear it around on your shoulder, so it is classified as a shoulder bag, but you can do crossbody. I will show you guys how you can style this bag up, and I'm super excited to be using it. Guys, let's see what we can actually fit in the bag. So these are the things that I would normally take with me. So first of all, I would actually take my phone with me, so let's see if that fits in. So I would pop my, let's take the chain out. So normally I would take my phone with me, I would take my keys, and I would pop them on the side so that my phone doesn't get scratched. Then I would also take a lipstick, I'm going to pop that in a corner here, and I would take obviously my wallet, and let's see if that fits in because it's quite big, my wallet. Okay, perfect. So that's a nice perfect fit. So that is literally fitted all the things that I would need for my essentials, and I would be good to go. It doesn't actually feel super heavy, and yeah, that's got everything of my essentials in there for me. Guys, enjoyed unboxing of this Gucci bag, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, then please leave comments in the comments below. Now I am going to show you guys how you can actually style this bag as well. So it's not something that like I said, it's something that you can wear from day to night wear as well, and there's lots of different ways of styling it. And let me know what you guys think of the color. I don't know if the camera's picking up the color as its real color is. Just a quick recap of the bag. It is called the medium Soho Camellia Rose beige tan bag, and it is a chain bag, and it is classic Gucci design. It's a design that kind of never ever goes out of style, out of fashion. It's always constantly there. So my choice between this bag and the Soho Disco bag. Now the Soho Disco bag, as I mentioned earlier, was a lot smaller, compact, so it fits basic stuff in, and I like to have a little bit more things fitted in my bags, and I do like the gold chain on it, so I actually like chain bags rather than the leather strap on the Gucci Soho bag, which is why I selected this one. And this is my first Gucci purchase of hopefully many, because I have another Gucci bag that I'd like to purchase, and again, I'm going to save up for that. I did actually pick up a different color to what I usually do. All my bags seem to be more of a black color, and this color is a tan kind of color, which means it's a neutral color and can go with a lot of different outfits. Hope you enjoyed the review on this bag, and let me know whether you'd actually purchase this bag or whether you'd purchase the Gucci Soho bag, because that's obviously quite a popular bag as well at the moment. So I'm now going to show you guys how to style this bag before I love you and leave you. hope you guys enjoyed that video and enjoyed the way I styled those bags. So if you guys enjoyed those sort of videos, then let me know in the comments below to know what you thought about the video and what you thought about the bag. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video, and until next time,